Trump's plan to bring back American manufacturing with aggressive tariffs is making waves. But why is China unfazed, even laughing at the prospect? Donald Trump has revived his 2018 playbook, imposing steep tariffs on Chinese imports. His goal? To make Chinese goods less competitive and revive US factories. However, these tariffs often result in higher prices for US consumers, as American companies rely heavily on Chinese supply chains. Can the strategy succeed where it stumbled before? China's laughter stems from its diversified trade portfolio and growing self-reliance. Over the years, Beijing has pivoted to selling to other markets, reducing dependency on the US while doubling down on domestic consumption. Additionally, tariffs often backfire. American companies either absorb the costs or pass them to consumers, making US-made goods even less competitive globally. Here's the kicker: tariffs alone can't compete with automation. China's factories, bolstered by cutting-edge tech and low labor costs, can maintain production efficiency and affordability despite higher tariffs. Meanwhile, US manufacturers face hurdles like outdated infrastructure, higher wages, and a workforce skills gap. China also benefits from trade rerouting. By shipping goods through intermediary nations, Chinese exports often dodge tariffs altogether. This loophole undermines the very foundation of Trump's strategy. For American families, tariffs translate into higher prices at the checkout line, from electronics to everyday essentials. This economic strain could hurt Trump's voter base, particularly in key swing states reliant on affordable goods. China's economic resilience stems from long-term planning and strategic partnerships globally, such as the Belt and Road Initiative. While the US focuses on tariffs, China is building infrastructure and relationships that secure its economic dominance. Trump's tariff plan might spark patriotic fervor, but will it deliver the industrial revival America hopes for? Or will it play into China's hands, reinforcing its position as the world's factory? What's your take on Trump's tariff plan? Will it succeed or backfire? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more global economic insights.